Hi, I'm Kramer Mehta. I'm a software engineer with 20 plus years of experience in IT industry. I worked with Oracle for 8 years as a software developer, and from past 12 years, I'm working with TalentHome Solutions as a software trainer. At TalentHome Solutions, we teach various programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, and many more. We have students in India and across globe. We have students in US, UK, Singapore, Dubai, and many other countries. We teach computer science as a subject to various boards like CBSE, IGCSE, ISC, IG and IB board. We are specialized in this subject called as computer science. We have done more than 4,000 students in past 12 years. Now I am going to talk about computer science subject which is there for IG board for 9th and 10th grade. Talking about the subject is divided into two parts, theory part and practical part. When I'm talking about practical part, it's not that we have to code it on a computer, but the things which will be asked will be on more of practical basis like programming. Let me come across first is theory, which is 75 marks, and practical, which is also 75 marks, where we have 1 hour and 45 minutes to solve these papers each. In theory, we have chapters like data, system, like number system, what we have, like computer understand the language of binary or hexadecimal. Then we have chapters for data transmission, how actually the data is transmitted across the network. Then we have hardware and software, and also about internet, automated systems and emerging technologies which are really taking this world into a new place. When I talk about the practical part of it, we have algorithms, which is nothing but stepwise solutions to any logical problem. And we also have Python programming, in which we'll learn basic Python and some advanced part of it which will have arrays and file handling. We also have database, where we have MS database, which is like storing the data into the data store and retrieving the data from it. And finally we have Boolean logic. So this part is the practical part of this subject. All these chapters are spread across 2 years. So certain topics will be taught in 9th standard and the others will be taught in 10th standard, and the total will be asked in the final exam. Talking about the difficulty level of this subject is quite manageable. In fact, if we work regularly, we just need one session a week for 1 hour 15 minutes so that we are on target, and plus we can have one extra session online every week to solve any doubts. That's what we do at TalentHome Solutions. We just have once a week this batch wherein we take this subject, so that it's not a burden on the students. Unlike other subjects, like you have to go thrice in a week and all. Here we can manage this subject quite well in once a week format. Plus we'll have doubt solving and other sessions too. Talking about the batch size, we just take 6 students in a batch so that we can give personal attention and also work on practical and complex problems. When we talk about the importance of this subject, so if you see, this subject has everything. It has hardware, it has software, it has programming. So it gives the overall knowledge of the computer, which is actually the future. If you see data analysis and computer science, these are the future subjects. Whether you take commerce or whether you take science, these subjects or programming is going to be a part of your curriculum. So if you start now, you'll build a very strong foundation for your child, as well as your child will get that confidence whether they can do this subject in the future or not. For more details about this subject, you can contact us at the number 977308812. We have branches in Juhu, which is very near to Utpal Sangvi School, at only 5 minutes from there, and we have also a branch in Andheri. Thank you.